Hello everyone! Today we have a new review of home appliances, and we're talking about the Dreame Z20 Essential Upright Vacuum Cleaner. This model is often chosen as a more affordable alternative to expensive vacuum cleaners, yet it still offers good power and a rich set of accessories. Leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss new reviews. Let's get started. The vacuum comes in a neat box with all parts securely in place. The packaging provides solid protection, so you don't have to worry about damage during delivery. Inside, all components are labeled and well organized. It's clear from the start that this isn't a budget-level product. The package includes the vacuum itself, the battery, charging station, brushes, nozzles, and a storage stand. The body looks modern with smooth, pleasant lines. The vacuum feels lightweight in the hand, and the weight balance is designed so your arm won't get tired during cleaning. The dust container is transparent, so you can always see when it needs to be emptied. The vacuum offers several operating modes, from low to more powerful. This is enough for daily cleaning of floors, furniture, and hard-to-reach areas. The battery lasts long enough to clean a full apartment or a medium-sized house. The nozzles make it easy to move from floors to sofas, cabinets, or corners. This vacuum is convenient for everyday use because it's lightweight and maneuvers well around furniture. The power is sufficient to collect dust, crumbs, pet hair, and small debris without multiple passes. The battery holds long enough so you don't have to stop and recharge during cleaning. Another nice bonus is the rich set of accessories. There's a suitable nozzle for any task, plus a stand that helps store the vacuum neatly. On the maximum mode, the noise level increases noticeably, so cleaning in the evening or when someone is sleeping may be uncomfortable. If you have a very large house, one charge may not be enough for a thorough, deep cleaning. Also, the dust container needs to be emptied quite often, especially if you have pets or carpets. After using it, you get the impression that this is a practical and well-balanced vacuum for daily tasks. It doesn't aim for the premium segment, but it definitely impresses with convenience, maneuverability, and cleaning performance. It's suitable for those who want good results without overpaying for top-tier models. Thanks to its modern design, rich accessory set, and decent power, the Dreame Z20 Essential easily covers all basic household needs. For its price, it's genuinely functional and cost-effective. Thanks for watching. If this review was helpful, leave a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a comparison between this model and other Dreame vacuums. See you soon!